Just replaced the grill on the F450. I'm ordering a new chrome one. But I had a black one sitting around, so I put that on. Once you take these 4 screws out, then you bend it down just a little bit towards you. Then there's clips down here. You just push on the clips and pull a little bit, and then it'll pop right out. This is a temporary grill motor in a chrome one, but I like the new look better than that chip chrome. I'll change this mirror. This one is broken. I'm ordering 2 new ones, but I got a spare one, so I'm taking this off. This cover's here. Pull this cover off. Screw. 10 millimeters. The screws. You don't drop the bolt. Put a piece of plastic or a piece of paper inside. So you won't drop the bolt down in the hole. Take the paper, stick the paper on there like that, stick it in the hole. Like I said, this is only temporary motor and 2 new ones. Right now, I just wanted to fix that. Put that on. Now I gotta fix that one over there. That one's cracked. Also put the molding on this side. I forgot to take pictures and video when I installed it, so that's on the truck now too. 2 more things and I'll have it back on the road, get her painted.